Hey French horns, this is the tutorial for 1 octave scale number 6. So concert C, your G. Okay, let's take a look at this scale. It starts really, really low. There's 2 ledger lines and then a note below that. So we're going to look over at our fingering chart and try to find a note that matches that. And we can see here, below that second ledger line, we have a note, and so that's G. G is open. All right, the next note is 2 ledger lines, and that is an A. So if we look here, we see A, and that's 1 and 2. I always think 2 ledger lines down, 2 fingers down. Okay, so we've got A, then we come to B natural. Now, if you've been playing scales with flats, then you may be used to putting down your first valve, but if we look over here, B natural is second valve, so that might be a critical note for you on this scale. Then we come to C, that's going to be open. D is first valve, E is open. And then we come to an F, but there's a sharp sign next to it. So if we look over here and find F sharp, we see that it is second valve. Okay, so F sharp is second valve, and then we come to G, which is open. So let's play a test note, and then we'll play the scale notes going forwards and backwards to make sure we have all the right pitches. Okay, test note on G. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, so then we go on to the 1 octave version, and you just flip the page over. Okay, we look at number 6, and down here we can notice that in the side in the key signature we have the 1 sharp that applies to our F sharp. If you want to take your pencil and put a sharp right there between the E and the F sharp, it's just to the left of the F, that might be helpful for you. You can also put a sharp right there, right in front of the F. And as we talked about on the full scale page, this B, even though there's no marking necessarily, that's a B natural. So we could put a natural sign there to help you remember that, and then you could put a natural sign over here on the side as well for the way down. Remember, natural sign is like an L and then a 7, okay, to make your natural. So we're going to play a test note and then play the scale. Make sure that you remember to slur on the way down and tongue on the way up. Here we go. Oh, that was weird. We're going to highlight the scale. No, I don't think so. All right. Test note on G first. 1, 2. 1, 2.